BMEA stock analysis. This is for tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to tell you exactly how I'm going to play this and trade. And as the only person in this space with 41,000 videos, I mean, I can tell you that, documented by the way, I can tell you what's worked for me and what's not. Quite of much confidence because it's all on my YouTube channel, no lies. Especially now with 65% up, it's a crazy pump up on its own. I appreciate it, you know, because now it just gives me an opportunity to just double down on this pump. And how that will look like is actually quite simple. This is my top. Ideally, if I do see the price pulling down and giving me some sort of a double break, then and only then I'm going to be buying. Randomly buying, it's not going to be happening. So that's BMEA. If you do want to learn how to make it 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.